gonna die today. Hey, how about fuck you? God damn it! Ah. Ready?
Go.
Woo! Yes!
I didn't see what the fuck.
No, that's a short fucking landing. See, is he gonna hit it? It's over here.
He'll flip. I think he'll flip.
It did curve like it did both ends in St. George. That's a short fucking landing. That's, if it was flat without that shit, I would be alright. That's fucking short as fuck. Because if we go faster, we're like clearing some of that, but I don't know if that's gonna fuck anything up.
Yeah.
Oh, he didn't do shit. Hey! Hey! Come here!
Oh,
That's broken.
oh,
Oh,
God.
yeah, but that's broken.
Oh, Jesus.
I know, but where did I
It's
thought it was
inside
in the box.
It's stuck inside there.
It's fine. Walk it off.
Oh, it's close.
Oh, shit. Is that, where did my beer go? Oh, my God, dude. Thank you, sir.
Oh my God, do you know how pissed this is gonna be?
Here, let's just cheers it. Oh.
That's all fucked.
No, look.
That's all fucked.
Springs are.
Oh, my God.
Yeah, that's over here. That's this one gone.
Yeah, yeah.
It's gone.
All right, here's the damage. That arm got bent. I think the shaft is good. Top arm's good. That's not holding weight. I broke one of the window straps, but I have 4 more of those. This door got bent out from the cooler flying around. That's why there's mud all over the place, because of the water that was in it. You can see the springs right there that were on there. That's bent. It's tweaked down there. All the rims are scuffed up. That arm's bent. That arm's bent. That's tweaked. That one blew too. That weld broke. The other tire is good. The only one out of them all.